This message is for the letter of NAFDAC, Christiana Adeyeye. You came to Onitsha. You send your workers. They came in Onitsha. They do their work in a bad way. They break people's shop, took their goods, bought their money. Many people died because of the bad work you send your workers to do in Onitsha. Look at the pictures of the people that lost their life. Look at the pictures. Some are family people, young guy. More pictures is still coming. More than 20-something people died because of the evil work you send your workers to do in Onitsha. And you lock all their shop till today, being April 16, you never open their shop. 3 months, you block their shop. You lock their shop till today now. You never open their shop. You send your workers, they come that place, they do evil work. I'm not against NAFDAC to do their work. I'm in support of NAFDAC. But this thing they did in Onitsha is evil. It's evil. Many people are collapsing, dying because of the evil work you people did at Onitsha. And everybody are keeping quiet. Till today, you never opened the shop of them. 3 months now. And you are telling them, one person, 700,000 naira. One person, 700,000 naira. You came to their shop. When I stole all the goods they have in their shop, in their warehouse. And now, you are telling them to pay 700,000 naira each person to open the shop. Upon many people died. More than 20-something innocent people died because of the evil work you people did in Onitsha. And you are requesting money from them to open their shop. What kind of a wickedness is this? And we have somebody that called himself governor of Anambra State, Governor Soludo, in your own state. Look at the people that died because of the evil work NAFDAC did in Obogu. You cannot stand up for your people. I'm not against NAFDAC. I'm in support of them for them to fight this fake drug. Yes, I'm in support of them. But this thing they did, don't be sorry they do them. Not be sorry they do them. Then do evil work. If you see good, go eat good. If you see evil, go eat evil. These people that you see died, they are human beings like me and you. They have lost their life. And Governor Soludo, look at what they are doing in your state. One person, 700,000 naira. One person, 700,000 naira to open their shop. People will never go market for 3 months. People where they store their goods.